Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix the error Roblox doesn't support admin installation. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. The Roblox doesn't support admin installation error occurs when you don't have the necessary permissions to open and execute the Roblox client. To resolve this error, insert the client is not currently running. Locate Roblox in the Start menu and select the Open File location to launch the Roblox Player app. File Explorer opens. Right-click the shortcut and select Open File Location and access Roblox Player Launcher.exe application by right-clicking it to access its properties. Under Compatibility section, check Run as administrator and close window to launch Roblox Experience. To resolve the issue, reinstall the Roblox application by opening your Windows settings. In the Apps section, go to Installed Apps and find Roblox. Uninstall it and try launching it again on Roblox.com. Re-download necessary files, and Roblox should automatically open. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.